Hi, today we'll discuss something very interesting, which is the Heartfelt Farewell, a 7-day deathbed challenge. This is very, very significant that you might feel a bit intense at first, but trust me, it's incredibly powerful. Imagine yourself lying on your deathbed, surrounded by people who actually mean most to you. Feel the weight of saying your final goodbye, knowing your time is very limited. Here's the challenge: write down all the important people in your life, could be your parents, children's, relatives, friends, and anyone who actually holds significance to you. And then think about what you would want to say to each of them if you were actually in the moment on your deathbed. The next thing is, reflect on what you would want to, to say to each of them if you were in that moment on your deathbed. Let your emotions flow, and as you actually jot down your thoughts next to each of the names, I don't want you to stop there. So, over the next 7 days, reach out to each person on your list. Maybe give them a call, send them a heartfelt message, or even better, meet them face to face. Feel free to let your feelings out and tell them what's in your heart. It might feel vulnerable, even a little bit scary, But imagine the depth of the connection and love you will experience by having those conversations. Feel the weight of your shoulders as you express the deepest emotions without any reservations. This challenge isn't about saying goodbye. It's about saying everything left unsaid, about maybe cherishing every moment and every relationship in your life. Trust me, you'll be a very, very different person at the end of the 7 days. So I want you to embark on this journey of love and connection and watch your relationships and outlooks on life transform completely. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go for it. And after 7 days, let me know how it goes. And that's all in this video. Thank you, and bye-bye.